I'm here with Chef Matt. Matt is globally known, and I have the pleasure of having him here with me right now to help me cook one of my healthy recipes out of my healthy recipe cookbook, which I provide in my Health is Wealth program to all my clients. We're gonna show you guys how to make a loaded baked potato, a healthy loaded baked potato, jam-packed with protein.
This is just a baked potato, however you choose to cook it. How I did these particularly was I just put them in a plastic bag, tied them up, microwave them for 10 minutes and done, and they're perfect, you know. So that's a quick fun fact where you can cook the potatoes. Just do this like this. Do them like this, put them in here and kind of smash it a little bit.
A little pepper here. We're gonna grab a little bit of this pink salt. This right here is gonna be non-fat cottage cheese, 13 grams per serving. So there's zero fat in this, zero saturated fat, 13 grams of protein per half a cup. So we're gonna wanna do about a half a cup. And now we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of pico de gallo.
This is just store-bought.
Yeah, store-bought pico de gallo. You know, again, if you have the time and the patience, you could chop it up. Wow, that thing is looking mighty, mighty tasty.
And I said that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote, baby. That simple. Oh yeah, wow. Matt.
Always.
Chef Matt, once again, let's go and let's grow. See you guys on the next video.